Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. If you're new, welcome to my channel, and this is Jasmine. And for those that are subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for selecting and watching another one of my videos where we already have the CVS ad that's going to be starting September 23rd. It's crazy that it's already available. The ones that you're seeing right now is on my site, excitedforcoupons.com, and I want to give a heads up and thanks to Early Ads Preview that got this ad so early. So let's just get started. The first item is Tresemme. It's going to be on special 2 for 10. It says that we're going to be getting a coupon on that paper's Sunday's paper, deducting $5. So the total come out to 5. But if you scan your card, you should be able to get a coupon 2 of 2. So it's going to make it $1.50. But if we have any coupons for shampoo, it might be even a sweeter deal. We also see that Revlon's going to spend 12 get 4, but they're offering a mystery offer once you scan your card. We don't know what the amount is going to be, but here's a similar idea that I did share for this week that is coming up. If you buy 3 of those lipsticks and you use 3 of those printables, and let's say the mystery offer is for $3, and once you get back the 4 ECB, will be 66 cents, but it also depends on how much the mystery offer is going to be. Once we continue seeing the ad, I like this offer. It says Alme, if you spend 10, you get 4 ECB. And if we get any coupons from CVS, it will be a really great deal. So the next thing we see in the ad is for CoverGirl. This one will be a really good deal because it says spend 15, you get 6 ECB. And there has been some coupons that are printable. And also we've been getting some from the CVS when you just scan your card. So I'll be able to do a better breakdown. Also, I'm excited that Maybelline and L'Oreal is buy 2 get 5. We haven't been seeing them giving any ECBs, and they have so many new products that I'm really excited to try. I just have to see if there's going to be any coupons coming up during that week. The next thing I see that is going to be a good deal is for all Hershey's snack size. If you buy 3, you get 9. And it says everybody's going to get an instant coupon in 3. That's going to deduct 3. And it also says we're going to be getting a coupon 1 of 2. So it's going to come out to like 167 each. So that's a pretty good deal. Going on the rest of the ad on the first page, you're going to see the dark purple section. Spend 30, you get 10 ECBs. And there's some good deals there. We could mix and match. And also the water is going to be for $2.49 and all. It also says that is with the one manufacturer coupon, it's going to come out to $1.99. So we've been seeing some good deals just on the front page. Continuing on the second page, for Gain, it says if you buy 4, you get 4. Once you buy 4 and you use 4 coupons, deducting 2 each, after the ECBs apply, it will come out to $1.94 each. So that's pretty good. Right next to the Gain, you can see the candy is going to be for 88 cents once you get back that ECB. And we're also going to be seeing that Dawn is going to be for 99 cents. The other deal I want to show you is the Downy it says that is for $5.94 and you spend 30, you get back 10, I believe is the card. So a deal is you could buy 5, you use 5 coupons if there's any one available. And once the $10 is deducted, the total price will be $2.94 each. But I'm going to be doing a video to see which coupons we could use. On this ad, you're going to see Hefty is going to be on special for $6.99. But something that's really catching my attention is the Rachel Ray wet and dry dog food and cat food. It says spend 15, get 5 ECB. So I'm going to see if there's any good coupons for that. This could be a good deal for this beverage, Lipton Pure Leaf. It's buy 2 for $3. And when you buy 2, you get 1 ECB. So it's going to come out to $1 each. So that's a really good deal. And as you can see, there's many other snacks that are going to be on special as well. Following the next page, we're going to see the milk is going to be for $2.99. Coffee, Maxwell House for $6.99. Dunkin' Donuts, which I love, is 2 for $4. So there's some good breakfast beverage items in there. And the Cinnamon Toast Crunch or the General Mills is you're going to get back 1 ECB. So we usually have coupons for that. So I'm going to share a better deal on another video. And continuing on that page, you're going to see the Lean Pockets, Cheez-Its, Milano, 501, all good deals as well when it comes to snacks and frozen items. On the orange section on this ad, you're going to see a lot of candy a lot of promotions there. I don't see any ECB back, but it's some good deals. And sometimes during this time, we sometimes will see printables for candy. On the other section, which is more like the grayish white section, is all about makeup. And some of the good makeup that I see is Physicians Formula. Spend 15, get 10. Another great deal is Wet n Wild, spend 10, get 5. And we do have coupons. Those don't expire till 9/29, so we're going to be able to do some good deals there. What I love about cosmetics, sometimes we'll be getting some CVS coupons from the red machine that applies to cosmetics. And this is a good deal for you to mix and match and save even more. Because sometimes we don't get coupons for certain makeup products. Letter D and G. D is NYX and G is ELF. They both spend 15, get 5. And Sally Hansen is letter E, spend 10, get 5. So there's going to be some good deals there on the cosmetics section. Continuing on the next page, you're going to be seeing some good deals from Simple, St. Ives, Pond's. I haven't seen any coupons yet, but at least it's going to be an ECB, spend 15, get 5. Then you're going to be seeing on the other section, buy one, get 1 50% off. So that's a good deal too. And then on the blue section, spend 15, get 5 from the beauty, 360. Continuing on the page, you're going to be seeing the lotion, I believe, the hand body lotion, Eucerin, spend 20, get 10. That's a really good deal right there. We usually be getting some coupons, and that will even make it even better. A Beano facial, buy 3, get 8. I didn't see any coupons yet for facial specifically. Then for Cetaphil, spend 25, get 7. And also Irish Spring, there is an ECB of 3 when you buy 2. We just have to see if there's any good coupons to make it even better. Continue on the next page on that section. If you buy 3, you get 2. And if you buy 4, you get 5. I saw for the Pantene that says 2 for 12. Comes out to a little bit more than $3. And I was calculating the Pantene also comes out like around 2. But looking down for Tresemme, if we do get that coupon 2 off 2, it'll come out to about $2. The one that is really interesting to me is the Garnier Fructis, because it says 2 for 7, and when you buy 2, you get 4 ECB, so it'll be $3 when you buy 2. But I also saw a coupon that expires on the 22nd, and that is on Saturday. If we do get a similar coupon on that Sunday, we could use that coupon as deducting 3 off 2, and it will make it free. On this section, it says Nexxus, spend 20, get 10. And it says we're going to get a $5 coupon. Sometimes we get a $5 off 1, but it could be $5 off 2. The good thing is that let's say if it's 5 off 1, you could buy 2 products that they usually range for $10. Use 2 coupons. After the ECB, it will be totally free. But if it's 5 off 2, the item might be just $3 or a little bit less each, which is pretty good for a Nexxus type of product. Then on this section, more products for the hair. The promotion that continues for the hair care, and buy 1 get 1 free for Shea Moisture, which is a similar deal we've been seeing previously. And then right here we see 2 ECBs that we could get back. Both hair colors, they do offer an ECB. I checked. The other one that there is a coupon for is for the Got To Be section, and it's for $2. And the other one, I didn't see any coupons yet, so it's kind of like too early to tell. So continuing on the next page, on the side, you'll see that it says spend 12, get 4 on any of those 2 the razors, but also we'll be seeing Nivea on the other section. You will get a 2 ECB, and we usually get coupons, and it was a printable earlier. Also for Suave Dove, there's a list of ones that you could get. It's also on the spend 30, get 10 deal. And then you're going to be seeing the Sure Oil Brew deodorant is going to come out to free. For that deal, it does say that we're going to be getting a coupon in the paper, and then you're going to get an ECB of $1, and that's how it's going to be free. So be on the lookout for that coupon on that Sunday paper. And then on the other side, you're going to be seeing spend 25, get 10 on that razor. On the following page is more the dental section. You'll be seeing some of the Colgate for that price, buy 1 and get 2. And we sometimes get a coupon for $1, so that could be almost a good deal. And you're going to see it also in another section, buy 1, get 2 as well. Also the mouthwash, you see some deals there as well underneath. So there's some deals there. It just depends on the coupon that we get that will say if it's really a good deal. And then on the other page, we start seeing all type of vitamins and medicine. There's some that's going to be on special, and many of them they're offering ECB, which is good to see. And now we just have to see if there's going to be any coupons coming during that week to make it a better deal. Also, we could see you buy Kotex on the other section in the corner. Is on it has a special price, and you get an ECB, and also there's a coupon that's gonna make it to $4.99. So that's all the items that we see on that page. And now on the bottom section, you see it's just more like a special price, but you don't see ECB being offered. This is another section, more allergies. The fall is coming, and this is time that we'll be seeing some deals. But in this case, I only see more special prices and not so many ECB offers. So that is all for that page. And then on the lower section, there is just one or two items that is offering ECB. And for the third sec, it's also saying that we're getting a coupon. So that could be a good time if you really need to buy that item. I think that will be a good time to get it. On the yellow section, more food items, beverage, and candy. And for the sneakers, you will see that there is an ECB offer for that. And on the other side, we continue seeing the Colgate as well as the mouthwash. And it has the different offers depending on the items that you do get. And then on the corner, you see the razor for Gillette and Venus, buy 2 get 8. And we usually be seeing almost that same deal going on from previous ad. And then on more of the aqua section, more buy 1 get 1 free vitamins, that we've been seeing this going on for a few weeks now. So this is the whole ad. This ad is a lot bigger and longer, and there were some good deals that we were able to see. But then again, we have to see which coupons we're going to be getting for that someday, since we're really ahead of time. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video. Bye.